Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a long time since I've done a tutorial or even something about makeup related. But I'm gonna start to try to do this more often for you guys because I get a lot of questions on what makeup I use and the process and how to do it. So I'm gonna share little bits and pieces of what I do on my makeup. I'm not a professional, I just do things my way. So if you guys like it, then just join me. So let's get started. Today's video is going to be about Fenty Beauty. I am a huge fan of Rihanna, and I was really excited when she first came out with her Fenty Beauty line. To be quite honest, I wasn't really excited when I saw the actual photos of people on Instagram and other YouTubers, so I didn't buy it. And then one time I was kind of stuck at the mall, and then I was like, okay, maybe I should just give her a try because since I'm a fan, I should support her. I went on a rampage and bought like a bunch of Fenty products. So now I'm gonna share with you what I like and test out the products to see what's good and what's not, what's hot and what's not. First off, I have this. I bought this foundation brush, and so far it looks really pretty. I love the color. The color is very classy, very girly at the same time. To start off, since I have my foundation brush, I'm going to start off with the foundation. This is her matte foundation. Basically something very natural, very soft. If you want full coverage, then probably you'll have to build it up. So I tried this before. So far, I like it. I mean, I was on Sisley, La Prairie, and Makeup Forever, Giorgio Armani. I just wanted to change it up and try this. This is number 190. I initially wanted number 200, but the girl at the store, she told me I was 190. To me, it's a little bit bright, but I can just blend it and, bring it down. Let's start off with maybe just 1 or 2 pumps. Put it here on my nose, everywhere, and start to just dab it and blend it in. Everyday use, I would just use 1 pump, but for like shows, I would do 2. Music video, probably 3 pumps. Because on music videos, the camera is just so high quality that you see every single pores in your face. But like for iPhone cameras and selfies and stuff like that, I think 1 pump is good enough. See, so to me it's a little bit light on my skin, but I can just always blend it in and like bring it down. Blend my neck. Make sure your neck belongs to you. I've been so focused on my vlogs and my music videos, touring on the weekends, so I haven't really had a chance to do one of these makeup videos. But I know you guys request a lot, and today I have some time, so I wanted to try it out. And also, since I'm a Fenty fan now because of Riri, I wanted to share with you guys her awesome product. I blended everything together, and so far it looks really nice. The brush is nice. It feels really soft and thick at the same time. I really like the brush. This is my second time using it, so maybe in the future, I don't know if it's gonna wear and tear, but so far so good. I'm going to let that set and then do my face and then come back and show you all the other stuff that I bought from Fenty. So, beauty haul. Now I'm back, my makeup is done, and this video is purely on Fenty Beauty, so that's why I had to cut in and cut out so you guys could just focus on the haul that I got. Highlighters. Okay, so highlighters. I have been stuck on Becca's highlighter, which is a nice natural some days, and then other days you can make it dramatic, and I decided to change it up. Here it is right here. Bought 2 other ones. There were 3 other ones, but I wasn't sure if I needed all of them, but I just wanted to buy one to support, and also because I'm just kind of obsessed with highlighters. Before I go into highlighters, I just want to let you guys know that being a singer in the Vietnamese industry, highlighters are basically non-existent. I mean, when I was filming with Paris by Night in Asia, which is Vietnamese music company production label, they really did not believe in any highlighters. And so most of the time, everyone's face would be completely matte. And I would try to sneak in some highlighters, and every time I snuck it in, they would be like, oh my goodness, her face is shiny, we have to touch up, we have to touch up. But intentionally I did it because I wanted that natural glow. Something about it, highlighters, is sexy to me. And for the Vietnamese people, I think they just feel like it's too oily and too dirty. Sometimes it could come off dirty and oily, but I think if you apply it properly, then it can come off like beautiful. In my opinion, when your face is so matte, you look more stiff and much older than you actually are, because you just don't have any definition to your face, because everything is just really flat. And with highlighters, it brings out your cheekbones, your nose, your cupid's bow, everything around your face. It brings out dimension. And that's the reason for highlighting your face. When you highlight your face, you are more youthful, glowing, healthy, and just all around gorgeous. Highlighters is a must. I got 2 of them. It's Rihanna's Killawatt. One of them is in Meadow Moon, and the other one, honestly, I wanted to buy all of them, but the reason why I didn't buy all of them because I wasn't sure if they match my skin. So when I'm unsure about something, I usually go by the name. And this one is basically Mean Money. You know how that is. And Hustler Baby. You know I hustle every single weekend. Okay, so here we got Mean Money and Hustler, and we got the Moon, which is the opposite of Sunrise, which is me. The most famous highlighter from Fenty Beauty is the Trophy Wife right here. This stuff is basically glitter all around. If you're going for like a natural day, this is not gonna work. But because I'm such a drag queen, this is definitely for me. So let's start off with Hustle Baby and Mean Money. Here we go. I'm gonna go with this color first because this one's a little bit light and I want it to be more dramatic. Maybe I can blend this in with other natural looks, but for now I want the drama. So I'm gonna highlight right here. Right now it looks very subtle, not too crazy. I think they both could be for natural days. Highlight the eyebrow bone right here and right here. I'm gonna go in a little bit more intense with this small brush. Okay, there you go. That's a little bit more drama. I'm loving it. It still looks a little bit more natural to me. I think for a lot of you folks out there who want more natural, this is perfect. Let's go in the Cupid's bow right here. I'm gonna do this nose, the tip of my nose, and then the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to focus on Meadow Moon. It's basically white, but I'm pretty sure with this white color, it's going to enhance a little bit more on the high cheekbones. So I'm gonna grab a little bit right here, swoop it on the tip of it. I think this is more intense. Both goes really well because if you use both, they can gradually get to that point where it's a high cheekbone. The Cupid's bow, inner corners of my eyes, right there. Bring it out, highlight that area. Underneath my eyebrow bone right here to intensify that eyebrow. Make sure it's nice and clean and sleek. There we have it, the highlighter, Meadow Moon, and Hustle Baby. And to top it off is the breadwinner right here, the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I think this is my favorite because it just has a lot of glitter and I'm just all about glitter. This is nice too, but to me it's a little bit subtle, natural, and I need a little bit more drama. Go in with my brush, get a little bit of this gold, and I'm gonna go into this area with that glitter, that gold that's happening right there. This is basically giving you that goddess look, that extra glow, J-Lo glow. Go into that eyebrow. That's very like intense right there. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then I'm going to add the same gold color onto my eyelids to bring all the look together. Pretty. There you go. Gold that we got going on. So this completes the whole Fenty highlighter. Earlier I told you guys I got 3. They're both amazing, but Trophy Wife basically wins it. It takes the win. Mean Money Hustle is for like natural, and I think that Meadow Moon is a little bit more. So this is in between natural and drama. Moving on to my last product from Fenty, which is the Stunna. I'm actually really lazy to condition my lips and make it soft and moist, so it's always very dry. When I put this on, it literally just moistened my lips and I just felt so comfortable with it. It didn't dry. I didn't have to pick any of my skin off, and it lasted long. When you drink and you eat pizza or whatever, it does come off, but as long as you're careful, it's okay. This feeling of this lipstick is the best. So let's go in with this Stunna lipstick. Make sure that it looks hot. Okay, here you go. Okay. Like my lips earlier was dry and now it's starting to feel a little bit more moist. This is my final look. I am going to top it off with this Fix Plus. Make sure everything is locked in place. Okay, so all in all, if I were to recommend a product to you guys, definitely the foundation, the Stunna lipstick, and also 3 highlighters are great, but I really love the Trophy Wife gold highlighter. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any questions, please inbox me or comment below and I'll try my best to get back to you guys. Thanks for watching.